Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about nested routes. What is nested routes? Actually speaking, when you have a parent route and that have a subroute, that is called as a nested route. In this example, we will be seeing how to navigate from the product to the product details, where product details will be a subcomponent or a subroute for my parent component called as products. So let me go into the Visual Studio Code. Here already we have configured few things in our project, that is nothing but products. So products is a direct component, but I have some components which will call this particular product details. So to use that product details, we have to create a folder inside this products. The structuring and the creation is very important. Now our parent route is products, which is the folder. So now I want to create a subroute. So if you want to create a subroute or nested route, you have to create one more folder. Let me go with product hyphen details. And inside this product hyphen details, I'll use a file that is nothing but page.js and hit enter. Now I can use something like export default function, and the function name is product details, and then let me return something like h1 tag where it is product details page and save this. Now let me go into my products and let me remove all this stuff. So let me remove all the h1 tags and save this. Now what I'll do is I have something called as a link, and let me use this link from Next.js, and it is having a href where this href should go into our products, and inside that products it should go into product details, product hyphen details. So I can use something like a link and navigate to product details and save this. Now let me create one more thing for second one. So let me go with, or let me use something like product one details, and let me use something like product 2 details. So now I'm not bothered about 1 and 2, just for labeling purpose I have created that. So let me go here, and now you can see product 1 details and product 2 details. Let me use P capital and capital. Let me give some spacing by using and NBSP, or you can give at a global level. Let me save this. Now when I click this product details, that is product 1 details, it has to go into product slash product details, and in the same way it has to go into product details again, that is product 2. So anyway, whenever we are clicking any of the link inside the products, it is going inside that products and then it is going to product details page. So if you observe this, you have products hash sample. When I click this, it went into products and then it started to move and get that content from product details page. So inside the product details we have page.js, and from there it is getting the value, that is nothing but product details page. But that is always not recommended. For example, I have product details, I have product details too. So when I click this, it is going into product details. That is absolutely fine. But which product details we have to show inside this? Either first details or second details. In that case, that will be decided on this particular click itself. So when the user clicks on this, we have to send in the route what exactly user has clicked, whether the first one or second one. That is nothing but sending the dynamic value in our route and fetching that dynamic value in our page. How to do that? That we will see in the next video. That's it for this video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.